Good morning, sunshine. Morning, Mr. Dexter.
Morning to you. Well, well, well. Where's my boy? Where is my boy, you son of a bitch? Okay. Wanna play tough? You got it, asshole. See that little girl over there everybody's so fond of? Well, my scientists tell me that this is what revs her up. Look at her now. Weak as a little kitten. Ow! Mr. Dexter, fuck off! Fuck! What the fuck kind of place you running here, Clive?
Hell, that ain't mine.
Jesus Christ, you...
That's Mrs. Cooper's.
Sick fuck! You killed my boy, didn't you?
Look, man, just tell him what he wants to know. Accidents happen in this jail all the time.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, come on. You go on about your business. I'll take care of this guy. Let's go.
I want my boy back, Clive.
I ain't let you down yet, have I? Go on. Yeah, it's gonna be you and me now.
Yeah, we'll do. Thought I was just sorry. You look very happy. Probably had a session, if you know what I mean, right? Anyway, I left the pistolas for you to pick up at the front desk. Oh, yeah. They are. Actually, I'm thinking of using them for my son's birthday. Ah, yeah. 10 years old.
Every year, Merle. Every year at the Hope Fair, we have to haul your drunken ass.
I'm not drunk. I'm just festive.
Please. I can smell it from over here. So what is it this year? Defecating in the water fountain? Interrupting the mayor's speech by publicly declaring to be Jesus?
Nah, just a bit of the old drunk driving.
Yeah. Merle. We took away your license months ago. You know better than that.
I don't normally complain, but it's every 30 minutes or so. It kept me up all night. And it's right before fair day, too. I'm trying to win a goldfish.
Those are Dexter Industry trucks. My hands are tied.
Holy fuck!
We're taking over your town.
Who the fuck are you? This is my fucking town!
Let him know we're serious.
Ow! Don't shoot me! I'm the sheriff!
Christ, what a dipshit.
Stay on mission. Line 47.
Sentry posts here, here, and here. 4 teams sweeping the building throughout sectors 5, 7, and 12. Standard A-16 pinch maneuver. Flush them out like a rat.
Relax, sir. My men have it covered.
Yeah? Right up until they get fiber wires.
Please, sir. Place could go up in flames. We better find the target quick. Someone must have notified the state authorities by now.
At least the target won't be able to get through this way. Come on, let's move out. We need to sweep the parking lots. Our window of opportunity is closing fast.
Rabbit. I'm at the checkpoint, setting up shop at 45 degrees southwest. Over.
Roger that, Rabbit. Get in position. We'll flush out the target. Over.
Sir, stop that now. Stop that! Stand up! This doesn't make any sense. How can he just give us the drop like that?
What'd you expect? The guy's a ghost. Why do you think he's been the agency top man for all those years? He's the scalpel. You're the hammer. Brute force always.
Victoria. I came so close. I need to escape, find Skirky, and force him to disclose Blake Dexter's location. The sheriff just signed his own death warrant.
Sheriff, do something!
Are you okay, my son?
Fucking move! You're a coward, Sheriff Skirky! I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch! Skirky, hold down!
Please, I can't die in a church.
Last time, where's Victoria?
Oh, go fuck yourself. Blackwater Park! Blackwater Park!